Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi Q7 engine cover. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found in the driver's footwell area. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click and see the hood slightly pop up. This action releases the primary latch, allowing you to proceed to the front of the vehicle. Now, move to the front of your Audi Q7. Look under the front edge of the hood, near the center, to find the secondary safety latch. This latch often requires you to push it to one side or lift it up. Once released, gently lift the hood until it is fully open, then secure it safely with the prop rod. With the hood open, you'll see the decorative engine cover. This cover is usually held in place by 4 mounting points or clips. Grasp the cover firmly near each of these points and pull straight upwards with a steady motion. Once all points are detached, carefully lift the entire cover away and set it aside in a safe place. To reinstall the engine cover, simply align it with the 4 mounting posts on the engine. Press down firmly on each corner until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place. Before you go, check the description for links to great deals on reading devices and other helpful products. Finally, lower the hood gently and press down firmly on the front edge to ensure it latches completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.